Take a ride in the 2018 Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster, trip computer, power steering, driver vanity mirror. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CarFax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CarFax Buyback Guarantee.